Since I gave you LandWolf AVAX at the price of 0. Not here, let me show you 0.00 nearly 1231 nearly 1231 401231 right up to here. It pumped more than 60% more than the price level I gave you, and from the bottom it pumped nearly 90 to 100%. From the price I gave you, it pumped nearly more than 60%. More pump is on the way. It will sooner pumped more than 100% I gave you. And so if you miss the video, then please be active and watch all my videos which I post on my YouTube channel, because what I gave you, it is not just randomly picked up. It is all the most potential tokens which are almost risk free, and I choose only project which is always risk free. I don't, if I'm putting my money into a project, I shouldn't be losing any single money. So since I have bought this token, it is pumped more than 60%. It will be going to sooner 2462. I bought at 0. Let me show you. I bought at 2 0.1231, something like that. Now it will be 2462. Then my price will be double from that position, and as you can see that it is pumping right now. Volume is high, and I have told you about this project also, and I have gave many projects also. Like for example, I had give you TNSR tensor token many times in my video. I have told you. Since then it pumped more than double. The price has been double. We are sitting at 2x profit, more than 2x profit. So if you are not aware about the market which is going to pump and which is not, so please be sure to subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any updates and you don't miss any pumps. Right before the pumps, I gave you the video at the price of, what was the price, 0.38, something like that. It was 0.38 or 9. If you go and check out my older videos, you will find that I gave you right up to 0.38 just before the 0.40. One more token which I gave you was AIT, that also pumped more than 50% in previous videos I have made also. Then also it came back little bit down. Just let me show you. It was right up here which I made video. It pumped more than 50%. Then it gone down, retracement. It came back down, and then again it's going in an upward trend. So I think this is also going to be 2x in price in very short term, nearly 1-2 days. It may be because it has huge potential, because it is of AI category tokens. So tokens like this I post every single day. I try to bring the video. My video may be very less in quantity because I focus on only quality trades, not on quantity trades, because I don't like to lose money whenever I try to invest in any project. I just don't want to lose it. If I am entering into a project, it should be either at the profit or either at the my buying positions, but it shouldn't be at loss like 20%, 30%, 40, 50% down. No, I don't entertain those kind of projects, because if I'm putting anywhere, I buy at the bottom, at the dip, where it is accumulated by smart money and big money magnets giants in the crypto. So if you want to know more about crypto, you can check out the link in my description, come to my telegram and talk to me. I'll add you in my premium group so that you can also make some juicy profits like 50%, 100%, and I will assure you that you make more than 10x 20x from the buying positions which I gave you. More video is about to come on the projects which have huge potential. So I was talking about the wolf, the wolf on land wolf AVAX. So this was the token. It is pumping right now. It will be 2x at the price of my from the video I gave you. So don't delay, come to my telegram group and join it. Don't delay. More project I have on my watch list which is going to be pumped sooner, 2x 3x. So don't do late, be quick as fast as possible. Please pay attention and don't lose your money in any shit coins, meme coins, which will get you rug pull, and you will lose all of your hard earned money, all the profits you have earned in one single bad trades, because there are lots of scam tokens which are doing rug pulling. I do not entertain any rug pulling. Sorry, this was alarm because I wake up early. I just wake up before the alarm today, as I am so excited about the bull market. And this is it for today's. Share your video with your friends and tell me how was the video. Did you like it? If you like it, please share your opinions on my comment sections and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates in my video. Till then, take care. Enjoy the profits.